Got you the new dolly you wanted.
Thank you, I love...
Stop. You can't ever say I love Y-O-U. If you say it to someone who's not your soulmate, you'll lose all memory of the person you said it to. Hey, baby, I got you lunch.
Thank you, babe. You're amazing.
I think it's time for us to say the L word.
But Evan, what if you're not my soulmate? I don't want to forget you.
It's okay. You don't need to forget me. I'll just say it then. I love you.
Evan?
Who are you? How do you know my name?
I'm your girlfriend.
I don't even know you. You're not my girlfriend, you bitch.
Hey, Emily. Evan told me he loved me today.
Brianna, that's great.
He forgot me.
Oh, no.
I need to make him fall for me again. Even if we're not soulmates, I don't want to lose him. Emily? Evan? Emily, how could you kiss Evan? I love him. And I
Brianna, don't say it.
love you.
I love you, Mommy.
No, you can't kiss me.
Mommy!
I'm sorry, sweetie, but you're not allowed to kiss anyone, ever.
It was just on the cheek.
No, it's not that. You were born with a curse, that if you kiss anyone, they'll die.
What?
Uh-oh, it's Kissing Killer Kate. Watch out.
Do you guys need to say that every day? It's not my fault I was born with a curse.
Relax, don't kiss us. Class, we have a new student today. Everyone meet Jonathan.
So, Jonathan, where'd you move from?
Bro, don't get too close to her. If she kisses you, you'll die. Yeah, dude, we call her Kissing Killer Kate. Really? Thanks for the heads up. I'll make sure to stay away from her. Kissing Killer Kate.
Hey, cutie, you want a kiss?
No. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those.
I spy with my little eye, Chad. Give me back my glasses.
No way. I lost mine. Catch me if you can.
I spy with my little eye the wall. I spy with my little eye, Chad. I spy with my little eye my vision-blocking glasses.
Hey, give them back.
No, they're mine. And if you have your eyes open, you need to say I spy.
I spy with my little...
Chad? Chad?
Attention, everyone. For population control, you may no longer wear your vision-blocking glasses or keep your eyes closed for an extended period of time. Anyone who breaks these rules will be killed.
I spy with my little eye.
Good morning, Mom.
I spy with my little eye my mom.
Here, take your vision-blocking glasses.
I spy with my little eye these vision-blocking glasses.
Wear them as much as you can so you don't have to say I spy all the time. I barely take mine off.
I spy with my little eye the ground. I spy with my little eye the bush. I spy with my little eye the bus.
Class, can anyone tell me why the earth is flat? My eyes are so itchy. My glasses, where'd they go?
Timmy, say I spy.
I spy with my little eye a beautiful girl named Brianna.
Chad, is that you?
Of course it's me. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those.
Mother, may I stop playing Mother, may I?
You may.
I'm free. I'm free. Thank you, Mother.
Mother, may I stop playing Mother, may I? No, you may not. You may play Mother, may I for all eternity. No, but that's not fair.
Too tired. I'm just gonna take a nap and go home to my family.
Emma.
It's not fair. Mother let you stop playing Mother, may I, and not me.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna end you. Emma, you forgot to ask. Mother, may I?
I gotta get out of here. There's gonna be a target on my back if people find out I beat the game. The door's locked. Who's there? Who are you? Show yourself.
Mother's here.
You hear them? The little girls? You need to find them and break through, or they'll take you.
I don't believe you.
Hurry up. You only have 20 seconds.
No, it's not real.
Ellie, hurry up.
Come join us, Ellie.
Allie, you survived.
I know, I'm so lucky. So it is real. The game of Red Rover? It is. I saw them, the little girls.
I told you guys it was real. You didn't believe me. Red Rover, Red Rover.
We call Katie over. Don't play Red Rover. The little girls might hear you and call you over.
We are the little girls.
So that means they...
They took us. And you're going to be next.
No, please tell me you're joking. Red Rover, we call Brianna over.
Mommy, there's little girls calling me.
You need to find them. They'll be holding hands and you need to break through or they'll take you. Come join us, Brianna. You're almost out of time.
This morning, little girls called me to play Red Rover.
My mommy says it's not real. It's just a myth. It's a fake story. You're lying.
No, it's not. I saw them. I had to break through their hands.
Stop lying. Red Rover, we call Ellie over. Who's there? Who's calling me?
Ellie, do you hear them? The little girls? You need to find them and break through, or they'll take you.
I don't believe you.
Hurry up. You only have 20 seconds.
No, it's not real.
Ellie, hurry up.
Some unfortunate news. You're rapidly going blind.
Wait, if I go blind, that means everything will be dark. Everything's getting so blurry.
Brianna, how'd it go at the eye doctors?
Not good. I'm rapidly going blind. And if I go blind, everything will be dark. And that means...
Oh no. Brianna, that skirt is so cute.
Thank you. It's a lucid skirt from Halara. It has built-in shorts, and it looks good from every angle. No way. I got the option again. I have to choose light this time.
Yo, why are you covering your eyes?
Because if I see the light, I'll die.
You're lying. Move your hand.
Bruh! Mother, may I go to sleep? I'm so tired.
No, you may not.
Jake. Jake!
Ah, what do you want? I was sleeping. Jakey, you forgot to ask. Mother, may I? Oh, no, Mother, I wasn't really sleeping. I was just pretending. Jakey, lying to Mother? You may die.
Jake!
You may not cry.
Yes, Mother. I can't keep my eyes open. I'm gonna fall asleep.
I can't do this anymore. I'm going to sleep.
Emma, you can't sleep. You need to stay alive. I can't stay awake much longer. Mother, may I go to sleep?
No, you may not. You may stay awake. I'm exhausted. If only there was a way we could stop playing Mother, may I?
Mother, may I? Stop playing Mother, may I?
You?
Die in the dark or die in the light?
I have to choose dark.
Light is everywhere. There's no way I can avoid it.
Hey, Bree.
Sorry, I was just sleeping. I've learned to sleep with my eyes open because if I close my eyes too long, I'll die.
What are you talking about? Oh, wow, that skirt is so cute.
Thanks. It's from Halara. It's super stretchy. It has built-in shorts, and the best part is, because of the design, it doesn't ride up.
It's too bright in here. Let's turn the lights off.
No, don't do it. If it gets dark in here, I'll die.
Hey, Bree, are you okay?
Yeah, my vision's just a little blurry. I think I need my eyes checked.
Thanks for coming in today, Brianna. I have some unfortunate news to tell you. You're rapidly going blind.
Wait, if I go blind, that means everything will be dark. Mother, may I eat this bagel? Only I can eat this bagel.
You may. I'm so dizzy.
Emma!
She's too weak. She needs to eat something.
Mother, may I share my bagel?
I guess you may.
Here. Em, you need to eat this. You okay, Em?
I'm feeling a little better. Mother, may I have a drink of water? No, you may not.
Mother, may I drink this glass of water?
You may, but you have 10 seconds to finish it or you'll die.
Mother, I finished it.
All right. You may live.
Mother, may I go to sleep? I'm so tired.
No, you may not.
Jake! Jake! No, wait! Mother, may I ask for a truce?
You may try. I don't want a truce. You don't deserve it. Steph was my best friend and now she's gone.
Look, I know what I did was wrong, but you don't have to be like me. You're better than that.
You're right. I am better than that. But don't think we're friends anymore. You're dead to me. Yeah, school's out!
Mother, may I go home? School's over.
No, you may not. You may stay at school. Why is Mother doing this? She's not letting anyone go home today. I'm hungry. I want dinner. I'm starving. Mother, may I eat my bagel? You may, but anyone has a chance to steal your meal. Brianna, stop!
Mother, may I eat this bagel and only I can eat this bagel? Mother, may I comfort my friend?
No, you may not. You may kill her with the item in your back pocket. No, Brianna, you wouldn't. I'm your friend.
Steph, I can't disobey Mother. Steph, there's nowhere for you to run now.
Mother, may I kill Brianna? You may.
No! Mother, may I go home and cry?
No, you may not. You may face the consequences of your actions. Look what you did! You killed Steph! How could you, Brianna? She was my best friend!
She was my friend too! Mother told me to do it. I can't disobey what Mother says.
Mother, may I avenge my friend and kill Brianna? You may.